Do you think more could be done to encourage health in your country? I think, in my country, that the policymakers should have more initiatives and implement stricter policies when it comes to activities that affect people's health. For example, the banning of smoking in public places would not just benefit the smokers, but the non-smokers, as well as there's much evidence about the dangers of passive smoking and air pollution. Also, there is a well-established link between better education and health care, so education in school is important. Useful phrases. The policymakers. More initiatives and implement stricter policies. Passive smoking. A well-established link. How can individuals take more responsibility for their own health? For me, this links back to education, which should really start at school and then continue throughout one's life. The more we look after ourselves and make the correct decisions surrounding food, health, exercise and so on, the less we might need from our overstretched health services and hospitals. For example, campaigns to eat less sugar, cut down on fizzy drinks and sugary snacks, and eat more fruit have been very successful recently, and by educating the young, they, in turn, will influence their own families increase their vegetable and fruit intake. Useful phrases. Overstretched health services and hospitals. Fizzy drinks and sugary snacks. Increase their vegetable and fruit intake. What could be done to halt the rise of obesity globally? In my opinion, the government has a huge responsibility to try to persuade people to live more healthily, and the rise of obesity, or overweight children, as well as adults, is very worrying. It is very distressing to see young children in pushchairs being given cans of fizzy drinks and sweets as a reward to good behavior. As well as education in school, governments could educate adults through a series of TV programs, magazine adverts, or public service education messages to raise awareness of the risk and dangers of obesity and a poor diet. A positive reinforcement message would be more effective than more negative messaging. For example, free gym membership, recipe cards and access to more playing fields, parks and green spaces, which would contribute to making exercise not only accessible, but fun too. Useful phrases. Has a huge responsibility. The rise of obesity. It is very distressing to see young children in pushchairs. Raise awareness of the risk and dangers of obesity. A positive reinforcement message. Making exercise not only accessible, but fun too.